What is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the synthesis of glucose from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the oxygen released as byproduct. It is the most important biochemical pathway and nearly all the life depends on it. Before further discussing about the photosynthesis, please subscribe the channel for more new videos. So, the photosynthesis comprises many coordinated biochemical reactions that occur in the plants, some protists, and some bacteria. This is the general equation for the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water plus light energy in the presence of chlorophyll form the carbohydrate and oxygen. So, intake of water and carbon dioxide. How plants intake the water and carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide and water are the raw material for the photosynthesis in the plant. Plants have the mechanism for intake and transport of these raw materials. Water present in the soil is absorbed by the root and root hair through the osmosis. This water is eventually transported to leaves through the xylem vessels. Here, osmosis is the movement of water from a dilute solution to the concentrated one through a semi-permeable membrane. The air enters into the leaves through tiny pores called stomata. This air carries carbon dioxide which gets absorbed in the thin layer of water surrounding mesophyll cells. Let's discuss about the mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in two phases. During the first phase, light energy is captured and is used to make the high energy molecules like ATP and NADPH. These reactions, which are known as light reactions, take place on the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. During the second phase, carbon dioxide is reduced to make glucose. In this phase, energy from high energy molecules like ATP and NADPH is utilized. These reactions do not use the sunlight directly, so these are known as dark reactions. Dark reactions take place in the stoma of the chloroplast. So let's discuss about the mechanism of light reaction and dark reaction. First, light reaction. During light reaction, chlorophyll molecules absorb light, their energy level increases and their electrons are emitted. Electrons are passed through the electron transport chain to produce ATP. Light also breaks the water molecule and oxygen is released. Hydrogen atom of water give electron to the chlorophyll and become ions. The electrons of chlorophyll after the production of ATP and hydrogen ions from the water are used for the reduction of NADP into NADPH. The next is the dark reaction. Detail of the dark reaction was discovered by the Malvin Calvin, so it is also known as Calvin cycle. In this phase of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide molecules are combined with the 5 carbon compounds to form temporary 6 carbon compounds, each of which split into 3 carbon compounds. These 3 carbon compounds are reduced to the 3 carbon carbohydrate by using ATP and hydrogen from NADPH. The 3 carbon carbohydrates are used to manufacture the glucose. Some 3 carbon carbohydrates are also used to regenerate the original 5 carbon compounds. This step also utilizes the ATP. So this is all about the photosynthesis.